Phase 1, a normal day. Hello, my name is Duan Javier Daza Sanchez. I'm 27 years old. I'm studying psychology in the University UNAT. I work in a club of soccer and I live in San Sebastian of Mariquita. My day starts at 5 o'clock. I wake up and I make my bed. I take a shower and I breakfast at 6 o'clock. I brush my teeth and I go to the university at 6:30. I study until 11 o'clock and I return to my house. I lunch at 12 o'clock. I take a shower and I go to my entrenamiento at 1:30. I return to my house at 6:30 p.m. and I dinner at 7 o'clock. I watch TV at 10 o'clock. I brush my teeth and I go to sleep at 11 o'clock. Goodbye.